Good morning to all. Dear student, today's in the biology class we'll learn about the chapter 8 weather, climates and animal adaptation. In this chapter today we'll learn about the adaptation in rainforest region, adaptation of animals in rainforest region. So before watching the video or before starting our class, please be ready with your book. Rainforest region. Tropical rainforests are located near the equator. They have a hot and wet climate. They support a greater number of and variety of animals compared to any other region because of characteristics such as warm weather, constant supply of water and the availability of a wide variety of food. So, in the tropical rainforest is located near the equator. That regions have a hot and wet climates, and in that region you will get a varieties of different types of organisms, animals compared to other region. Why? Because the climate of that or the weather of that area is little warm, constant supply of water is there and availability of a wide variety of food. Okay. Precipitation is evenly distributed throughout the year with plenty of rainfall. So precipitation also evenly distributed whole the year. Large mammals such as elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, leopards, deer, antelopes, wild cattle, boars and bears live here. Small animals including monkey, birds, snakes, rodents, frogs and lizards are common in the tropical rainforest. The animals use the tall tree and the understory region of the forest as shelter, as place to hide from their predator and as source of food. So, the animals in that particular regions, they will take a tall tree as their shelter, or the understory regions of the forest they take as a shelter to hide from their predator, means to hide from their animals and in the search of the food. Animals are adapted to make the best use of the shelter, food and safety available to them, as there is considerable competition for food, sunlight and space. Parrots have specialized feet with 2 curling front toes and 2 curling back toes, which help them hold on to branches. So the parrots, they are having a specialized feet, 2 curling in the front side like this curl in the front side and 2 curling on the back side, which help them hold on to branches. Okay. Monkeys use their arms and legs and sometimes even their tails to swing from branch to branch. So monkeys, they are using what? Their arms and legs to jump or swing from one branch to another. The lion-tailed macaque is a dark brown or black monkey. It has a silver-white mane which surrounds the head from the cheek down to its chin. Because of this, the monkey is also called the beard ape. It spent most of its life on trees, eating fruits, leaves, buds and insects, and it hardly ever comes down. The red-eyed tree frog lives on trees. It has sticky pads on its feet that help it to climb trees. Toucan are birds that have a long, large bill or beak. The beak is adapted to reach nuts on branches that are too small to support the bird's weight. Parrot and toucan use their strong beak to crack open the tough shell of nuts. Leafcutter ants cut small pieces of leaves which they carry back to their nest and bury. These pieces of leaves are used as food by the fungal colony on which the ants feed. The sloth has blue-green algae growing on its fur, giving it a greenish color. This makes it difficult for predator to spot the animals. The sloth moves very slowly and spends most of its time hanging upside down from trees. Jaguars have spots on their bodies. The spot helps them camouflage themselves among the speckled shadow of the rainforest floor while hunting for their prey. Elephants have many adaptations that help them to live in the hot and wet climate of the rainforest. The task of elephants are their second incisor. The elephants use them to dig for water and roots and to tear the bark from trees, which they eat. Have you seen elephant tusks? That is like a teeth, no, like teeth, long. We used to say that elephant teeth, but it is not the teeth, it's the tusks. It's called the tusks. So that tusks they are using for digging the water, digging hole for the water and roots, okay, and to tear the bark of a tree. They have large ears. Elephant, they are having a very large ears, which are used to fan and cool their bodies in the hot and humid rainforest. The large ears also help the elephant hear soft sound. So elephant, they are having a very large ears and they use their large ears to fan and make their body cool in the hot and humid rainforest. But that large ears are not only for using as a fan, it is also help the elephant to listen the soft sound. They have sensitive trunks and can exceptional sense of hearing and smell. They also have a sensitive trunk and that having an exceptional sense of hearing and smell. They hear not only through the ear but also through the trunk and the feet, which are sensitive to vibration. So elephant, they will not only listen the sound from their ear but also from their trunk, and their feet are very sensitive to the vibration. So dear student, this much for today's class. In the next class, we'll write the long question answers from the exercise of this lesson, because today already we have completed our lesson. So in the next class we will do the question answers, okay? But before finishing my video, here are some home assignment questions for you. These questions are from your textbook, short answer questions, page number 91. So all of you write down the answer and send me in group, okay? Thank you and have a nice day.